Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about Age Reversal Series Part 8, what we offer at the Age Reversal Technology Center. At Age Reversal Technology Center in Lakewood Ranch, Florida, we provide comprehensive, personalized age reversal protocols. I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc. His passion and purpose are to solve health problems to help people achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He utilizes AI to save time, allowing him to spend it helping others. With over 45 years of clinical experience, he has acquired a great deal of specialized health-related knowledge that he wants to share, hence his videos. Please note that this is not medical advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted progressive healthcare provider before making any significant changes in your health regimen. Now let's get back to today's topic, but before that I ask you to please hit the like button if you find this information helpful. Subscribing to this channel helps get this information to more people. 1. Comprehensive testing. Full hormone panels, metabolic markers, inflammatory markers, nutrient status, genetic considerations where relevant. 2. Personalized protocols. Bioidentical hormone optimization, strategic peptide therapy, targeted supplementation, lifestyle optimization guidance. 3. Ongoing monitoring. Regular lab testing, symptom tracking, protocol adjustments, accessible physician support. 4. Integration with other therapies. Regenerative injection therapy for joint and spine issues. Nutritional optimization, exercise and movement guidance, stress management strategies, stem cell therapy. We don't do cookie-cutter protocols. Your biochemistry is unique. Your protocol should be too. Here's the truth about aging. You have far more control than you've been told. The decline you're experiencing isn't inevitable. It's the result of specific biochemical changes that can be measured and addressed. Hormones and peptides aren't magic. They're tools, powerful tools, backed by science and refined by clinical experience. You can continue down the path you're on. Watch your energy fade. Watch your body change in ways you don't like. Watch opportunities pass you by because you just don't feel up to it anymore. Or you can take a different path. You can decide that good enough just isn't good enough, that you deserve to feel vibrant, strong, and alive. That age is not a sentence. It's a challenge you can meet and overcome. The choice is yours. If you're ready to explore what hormone optimization and peptide therapy could do for you, I invite you to take the next step. Schedule a comprehensive age reversal consultation at our office in Lakewood Ranch, Florida, conveniently located between Sarasota and Bradenton. We'll review your health history, discuss your goals, and determine if our approach is right for you. Normally, this comprehensive consultation is $500. Right now, as part of our effort to help more people overcome their health challenges and achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, we're offering it for just $199. Call our office at 941-806-5511 to schedule your appointment. Don't wait another year. Don't let another decade slip away. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make today. That concludes this series of videos on age reversal. More to come soon.